So we just finished up with our front leveling kit on this Sequoia, 2023 Sequoia. This has got a set of 35 12.5 by 18s on the factory wheels. This is just the front leveling kit, and it works really well. The ride is pretty plush. It's super nice the way it is. This is a really nice way to go. If you decide that, hey, I want a little bit of a lift, I want a nice ride, I want a great look, don't want the truck too high. We actually haven't even pinned back the fender liner back here yet. You can see it's not pinned back. It doesn't rub. And you can see kind of back in here that the body mount at full steering lock, it still has plenty of room. Let's see if I can get up underneath here to show that to you. Yeah, there's quite a bit of room. So as you can see here, I'm quite a bit of room on that body mount. So you don't have to worry about any kind of rubbing there. Does not rub the upper control arms on the Pros because the offset, that plus 30 offset on the wheels. We did put our lower collar and just an aluminum finish on that. Just a couple things for you guys. When you're gonna do one of these, the alignment is super important. The camber setting is super important. It really changes the ride. If you get the camber up too high, 0.4 or higher, it's going to really start to make the ride stiff on this. So if you can keep it down around 0.1, 0.2, max of 0.3, if at all possible on the camber, really allows the suspension to relax. You can see up in the front here, plenty of room up here in the front. So when we lifted the front of the truck with our front leveling kit, we were at 23. We started at 20 1/4. We went to 23. Once the alignment was done, like I said, you're able to get the suspension to settle itself once you get it to relax. So it actually came down to 22 1/4, which is great. And then in the back here, obviously we left it stock. It was 22 1/2. After we did the lime in the front and the weight settled itself, it actually came up to 22 3/4 in the rear here. So it is higher in the rear by a ½ inch. It may not look like it, but it is. It's a ½ inch higher in the front, or excuse me, in the rear than the front. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Truck looks really good with 35s. Yes, we are going to stuff 37s on it. Yes, we're going to go a little higher. We're going to go 7/8 in the back and then another inch in the front. So I think this thing's starting to look like a beast. So drives really nice. Still got plenty of power, plenty of pep. So want to share that with you guys. And, you know, please let us know if you have any questions on this. Just kind of trying to get a little bit of a walk around here for you, just so you can kind of see at all angles what it looks like and how it sits. Move back around the back corner here at a different angle. So yeah, it came out really good. I really like the look on the factory wheels with these 35 12.5 by 18s on the factory wheel. So again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.